Hello YouTube, I hope everybody is doing fine, and today I just wanted to make a short video showing my Picasso CNC Pendant, which you can also use to control your PC as a matter of fact. Anyway, since I don't have a CNC setup right now, I will show you the basic function here on my PC with a folder open, with a whole bunch of folders. And yeah. As to the hardware, it has two rotary encoders. It is made for left-hand use, so you can use your right hand for something else. And I know there's some people who might want it the other way around, but this is the way I designed the PCB, so you can use it with one hand easily. And you have also as OLED display. Oh, I'm all messed up today, sorry for that. Anyway, it also has, this comes with a basic function, and if you like you can add other code to it, but you would need a USB to TTL adapter to do that, the one that I sell on my Tindy store. It also has a switch up here, but right now it only supports the two encoders and the two switches. It has a micro USB connection, and you will see right in a bit why it's called the Picasso, because it kind of looks like a messed up face. So not that Picasso had a messed up face, but his paintings were similar. Anyway, you can see here that folder is selected, and you can move that to the left and right, up and down, and then you have home up, which is for the Z-axis, which goes up, jumps from the first to the bottom, the top to the bottom. So obviously this is your X-axis, this is your Y-axis, and this is your Z-axis that you can manually adjust. And this is basically it. Not much to it this time. I did add some silicone feet, so you can also put it on your table and just use it with one finger, and it won't slide around. Anyway, this is it. This will be shipped out today to Sweden, and this was it. A really short video today. I have a new or another free giveaway coming up tomorrow night, so if you're interested, keep watching. Take care everybody.